I'm Emma.
And Tyler, this is probably my 7th video, 6th video. And I don't know, we're just in Toy Story Land. If you saw Toy Story 4, we have a little bit about it. It's not currently finished yet.
But we are gonna show you a lot of it.
Yeah, a lot of it. We might show you everything. It depends how long of time we have. So, yeah. We're going in this guy's mouth, Woody's mouth first. This has all the names in it. So if you don't know their names, you will.
You will right now.
Yeah. So you know so you'll be prepared. Buzz Lightyear's one of the characters.
Okay. Bo Peep.
Okay, Buzz Lightyear, Bo Peep,
Forky,
Rex, Woody, Forky, like you said. Slinky, the dog. I already read that. Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head. And then we have Jessie.
Jessie. You can't forget Jessie.
Yeah, Jessie's the. Oh, and Bullseye. I forgot to put. Yeah, Bullseye. Bo Peep, like Emma said. So now you know all the names. We could start going. We have a playground, Rex's playground. It is really fun. I'm gonna let Emma do this one.
Really? Okay. So I'm still learning how to play Minecraft. So.
She just got on here.
Whoa.
Yeah. This one is kind of confusing. I did not put stairs since you can't have stairs on this one. But it's kind of like a playground. You go through his mouth and you go down. That's Forky. We're gonna go on that last since that's really hard to do. And I'm gonna start the first roller coaster I ever made. Let's go. Hold on.
Here we go.
Hold on.
Ah.
Hold on, guys. We might not actually finish this. We're running out of time. We gotta do this fast. So let's go.
We still have a lot more minutes.
No, 37.
No, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Here we go!
So this is Slinky's Dash. If you watch YouTube, and you're a member of Disneyland theme parks, this guy will tell you everything about Disneyland and Toy Story Land, and this is one of the things at Toy Story Land. Next, I love this one, Buzz Lightyear's Dash.
Yes, I don't really know I've never been on Minecraft before, so this is my first time, so I don't know a lot of this stuff.
Yeah. I just taught her in one day. She's a fast learner. We need this. Hold on. So you shoot stuff and you get points.
I actually do archery, but this archery is hard.
Yeah. Like she said, it's her first time.
But I do archery in real life. Yeah. And horseback riding lessons.
So we are going to the first round, and I hope we get a lot of good points.
Whoa!
Oh, I missed one. I'm trying to get all the lights.
Yeah.
I only got 1 point. I could try to get this one.
Yes.
I got that one time. Okay, I got 2 points so far. Emma's gonna keep my count. Whoa.
Okay. Whoa. Yes.
Oh, I got 3 points.
Yes.
You got this is Zurg. Okay, I got Zurg, and I'm gonna get that star. Oh, I missed. Okay, I got.
Who is that walking over there?
30 points.
Who is that?
It's a skeleton. Crying out loud. It's creepy. Don't talk about it. It's really creepy. It's creeped me out.
Then don't look at it.
Yeah.
Don't go near any.
I'm scared. I'm gonna get you. If we have time, I'm gonna do our night parade. We have a night parade on here. my parade, I turn on all the lights at nighttime. It's nighttime out here. I'm going to let
Here we go.
Emma have it after the other player. Have it after the light parade.
Okay.
So we still have 10 more. We have also one of the guys named Brooke. She got lost in Minecraft, and then she found this freezer guy, and she got froze. If we have time, I hope we could save her. We went off Ricky. Now, did I tell you about the light parade since I'm going to start it? We turn all the lights on. It's really cool. Let me do it.
Well, that's cool.
We turn all the lights on.
I thought you said night parade. I didn't know you said light parade. But it is nighttime, so I guess it could be either.
I know. So we have like a lot of stuff we turn on.
I hope you really enjoy our video because we kind of worked really hard. We did work really hard.
Really hard. This is Emma's first time, so she worked really hard on learning, and I worked really hard on this.
Because I wanted to do a video with him because he's done. I've watched one of his videos. I haven't watched his other ones though.
I probably
we are cousins.
Yeah. This is my 6th, I think. Daddy finished turning on the night parade since this. Ooh, the Toy Story sign.
Ooh.
Always
that's cool.
important to turn on. I love Toy Story.
Ah, there's a skeleton. Look away. Look away.
Don't look at him. Too creepy for me.
We still have
About a couple minutes. Since Emma's one of the guys that also helped me make.
We have 8 more minutes.
Emma and me, I told her about the night parade, so I kind of want her to take it. Since we get both of our chances. She could walk around and kind of explore the place. It's her first time. I'm gonna make a portal so she could explore what's in a portal.
Okay, what's a portal?
It's a portal
Where do you go?
to a dimension. A dimension's a place.
Oh.
A place. Place.
Place. I got it.
Yeah. Okay. So we need ice bucket challenge. Who decided to put an ice bucket challenge? I love ice, but not ice bucket challenges.
Okay.
Yeah. And when we get in the portal, I'm gonna let Emma have it since I kind of want her to explore the little area.
Okay.
After I make the portal.
That's a cool portal.
I know. Once you get used to it, like stuff is really easy to make.
Okay. Whoa. So we're loading into some other place where I don't know where we are going.
6.
Oh.
We need to go deeper.
This place is creepy.
A pig man? Is this a dead pig? I'll let Emma take it. I'm
Okay.
afraid.
Ah.
I'm creeped out. Oh! I was getting chased by a pig man.
I think I get it.
I want to jump off the cliff, and then I'll let Emma have it.
Whoa.
Oh no, pig man!
I think I get it now.
Yeah. Walk off the edge. Pig man's gonna kill you. I hear a monster. Oh my gosh, we died! That's not fair, since the pigs that are already dead don't get to die that much like we did. I'm gonna say our guy. Are we still a creeper? Actually, no. We were a regular guy. If we were a creeper, that's why the pigmans are dead pigs.
Yes. Wait. What?
I am not dead. I'm a living zombie.
We have like 5 more minutes for our video.
That sucks. I didn't find a zombie yet.
No.
Oh, there you are. Can't wait to
Shoot him, shoot him.
Huh. I'm gonna shoot you instead.
Wait, we got him. He's not dying.
He
Because
will.
he's already dead. Oh no, he died.
He gave me his guts. Thank you for your guts.
Yuck. Yuck.
I'm going in the lava. Emma's too afraid.
I'm not afraid. But
Really? I thought you wanted to die here.
I didn't.
Okay.
Okay.
I have no idea.
So I guess we didn't have 5 minutes. So I think this is the end of our video. So I was Emma, and this is Tyler, and
we're not ending the video.
yes, we are.
No, we're gonna keep continuing. I love making videos. Let's go.
If we get cut off, that's because we had a limited time.
No, we don't.
Yes, we did.
I make the time.
No, we
You
have
don't.
a limited time for 15 minutes. So if we got cut off, that wasn't your computer or anything. It was us. So I'll say bye right now. Bye. I was Emma, and this was Tyler.
Some of them, yes, from your past.
We're dead.
I'm back, guys. I had to go. I had to explore. I had to go to the bathroom. I got sucked in the toilet when I did, so it took me a while. So now I'm back to my video. Hold on.
Okay, so this is Emma. So I might not be that great, but I'm looking around.
Yeah, he does have like that humor and sarcasm.
What are
Looks
you
like
doing?
there's a monster in town.
No,
We've
there
gotta
isn't.
go.
No, there isn't. This is me, Emma. So
Oh,
I'm
look,
not
I'll
be
unfreeze.
that entertaining. So yeah.
Looks back. Look, I'll unfreeze. Say hi, you guys. Like I want to say. Hi, you guys. It's Brooke. She's gonna play some rap for us. She's a dead swimmer.
What?
She kills people when she swims.
No, she didn't. She's a real life person.
Well, she got freeze and ice on Minecraft. Literally, I froze her.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh, that's not very nice.
It's very nice.
What?
That guy, you're surrounded by Pigman.
So what? They're not gonna kill me.
True,
Or
since
maybe.
you're not on survival, but you will be. Your Day of the Dead.
What?
I think it makes sense.
Playing the music video, but
Looks like a singing monster's here. Is he playing the banjo or what? Or did Brooke get an upgrading if she got a banjo?
you guys have like 1 more minute before it's gonna time out, so you gotta say your goodbyes.
Okay.
Why is that a ghost?
Okay, so I think we're ending our video, and we had really a lot of fun. So
I wish I could get the
I
ghost.
was Emma, and this is Tyler, and bye. We're out.